In order to install and create WordPress project locally, you need to have XAMPP installed in your system. So first of all, just go to any browser, then search for XAMPP, then press enter, and here you can see apacheFans.org. So you need to click here, and from here you can download XAMPP for Windows, Linux, or OS X. So once you install XAMPP, it means you are ready to install WordPress. So once you install XAMPP, then you can just go to the search option, then search for XAMPP, and you'll be able to see the XAMPP control panel over here. And at the same time, after installing XAMPP, you will see the XAMPP folder in the local disk C drive as well. So I'll assume that you have XAMPP installed. After installing XAMPP, you need to search in the browser, download WordPress org, then press enter, and here you can see download wordpress.org. So we're going to click here, and there you can see download and install it yourself. Download WordPress, this is the current version, so I'm going to click on this and it will start downloading, and there you can see it started downloading a zip file, and it will take some time to download. And there you can see download is complete. So when the download is complete, you just need to go to the download location, and here you can see WordPress 6.9 zip file. So we're going to cut this from here, and right now we need to go to our XAMPP folder. Then we'll go to the htdocs folder, and inside htdocs we're going to paste the zip file. There you can see. So first of all, we need to unzip this. So I'm going to unzip it. Just right click on it, then click on extract all, and let's say the folder name will be only WordPress. You can name it anything, but let's just keep it WordPress. Then click here extract, and there you can see it is extracting the zip file, and it's done. So right now we can go inside the folder, and inside WordPress folder there is one more WordPress folder. Okay, so okay, let me just rename this to WordPress 2, and we need to go inside, and here you can see we have one more WordPress folder. There you can see. So we need to cut this from here, and we need to put it directly inside the htdocs folder. Control T. There you can see. So right now we're going to delete this zip file and this WordPress 2 folder as well. Let me just delete those. So right now we have the WordPress folder, and inside it we have all the files and folder. Right now, what we need to do is that we need to go to our Windows search option right here, XAMPP control panel, click on it. Then you will see this Apache and MySQL. You need to start both Apache and MySQL. After that, go to your browser, and in the browser, search right over here localhost slash, you need to say over here php my admin. Then press enter. So once you write over here localhost slash phpMyAdmin, it will take you to this page. And here we're going to create a database. So I'm going to click on new, and let's say here WordPress underscore DB. Then click here create. So it will create a database over here. You can see. Right now again we'll open another tab, and over here we're going to say here local host. Then we're going to give a slash. Then we're going to mention our this WordPress folder name. So we're going to server here slash WordPress, then press enter. So once you write this, it will take you to this page, and here you can see you need to choose your language. So we're going to choose English, then click here continue. Then it will tell you to give the database name which we just created over here, then the username, password, database host name, and something. So I'll show you everything. So I'm going to click here, let's go. So what is the database name? The database name is this one, WordPress DB. So let's copy, then paste it here. The username will be root for everyone. The password will be null. The database host will be localhost, as you can see, and the table prefix will be WP underscore. Right now click on submit, then click here run the installation. So it will ask for a site title, name it anything. I'll just go with WordPress. You can name it anything. Let's say here WordPress project, and let's say the username will be admin. So the username, you need to remember this, the username will be admin and password will be 1234. Okay, so you need to make sure you remember the username and password because those will be required to log into the WordPress dashboard. So I'm going to click here, confirm the weak password, and here you need to give your email address. So I'll give my email address and then click here, install WordPress. And there you go, it is done. So right now here you can see admin and your chosen password. I'm going to click on login. We need to keep the username which was admin and the password was 1234. Click here login, and there you can see we are in the WordPress dashboard, and from here you can create any kind of website if you want. So that's how you can install and create WordPress project locally. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.